Hey friend, how are you today? I'm Angela Block from angelablock.com, author of Redesign and interior designer with over 20 years of experience. I am so glad to see you today. I know things feel uneasy. We're kind of all cooped up in our houses and quarantined, and it's kind of a scary unknown time. I actually wanted to share this with you. It's really a time of reset. My book, Redesign, is all about this. It's all about using what you have to create a cozy home and create that space that you love, that you can enjoy being home with your family and invite those around you. So no, we can't invite all the people that we want to around us, but we can enjoy our family togetherness right now and get our homes reset and our hearts reset and our focus, and take the time to heal and restore and move forward so that we can have a home and time to bring all the beautiful people into our lives again. Here are my 5 simple tips to enjoying this time out to make your home a cozy space to be in. Take it room by room, cabinet by cabinet, closet by closet. Make a goal of 1 per day or whatever you want to do there, and pull everything out and only put back what you actually want to keep and what belongs there. If you haven't used it in a couple of years, if you don't need it, get rid of it. Throw it out. Put it aside. Have it ready to go to MCC, to Bibles for Missions, to the thrift store, to sell on Marketplace when all this quarantine is done. So just have it set aside. I've kind of made a room where I'm putting everything in. And no, don't let it stay your storage room. But just have that plan in place for when we are able to start selling and getting rid of all those things. But at least it's in one spot and it's not in each room or closet as we go. So I have a link below to a decluttering course and how to declutter your cabinets, your closets, and your room in these simple steps that I recommend. So my designer steps that to make it simple and easy for you. Take an old art piece that you've been staring at that just doesn't match anymore and paint over it. I've seen people do it. It works great. Use paint you have kicking around in your garage. We all have paint from our walls that you can use. You can create a chalk paint. You can look online. There's actually really easy ways to make your own homemade chalk paint. You might have some craft paint in the cabinet, but get creative, get the kids involved. Make it a family art piece, one that uses the colors of your accents in your home and will match your home, and it will just be a really neat reminder of this cozy time at home. Or grab a piece of wood you have kicking around and paint over that and make a really cool farmhouse art piece with some words on it. Like, there are some really fun things you can do. So, and hang it up on your wall when you're done. So make your own art. You can do it. You know you can. It's really, really fun. And even if it's not perfect, it's just kind of a really special thing that you've made, and it tells a story. You can redesign your space, kind of rearrange your accessories and your furniture, and using what you already have in your house, rearrange it. Like a couple weeks ago, I took a dresser I had and a vanity and some mirrors and all the things, and I swapped out 2 bedrooms worth and switched them around. It just freshened them up to make them a little more functional, and now they feel brand new again, and I kind of loving them again. And new bedding, switch out your bedding. I'm sure you have different bedding that you have in your closet that you can switch things up a little bit with. rearrange your mantle using other accessories. We're in a different season. There's Easter happening and we're in spring now. And so you can really get creative using what you already have and just switching it up a little bit. And I have a link below to my course on how to redesign your space on your budget, using what you already have, and that will help you know the simple steps to make your furniture be rearranged so that it's more functional for your family, so it's super cozy, and rearrange your accessories and how to hang your artwork and all those things. So, and I mean, you can shop online a little bit. I know that there are a few stores that are shoppable right now online. So yeah, then you can kind of evaluate after you've got everything redesigned. Then you can look at what you might want to purchase to support a local business and get it delivered. So all have a furniture piece in our house that we actually don't like anymore, that doesn't match, that's kind of old and needs a refresh. So grab that piece and take the paint that you have from your garage, from your walls or your trim, and put a coat of paint on it. I do this quite often, as much as I have time for. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay. My hair is so frustrating because I'm ready for it to be redone, but of course my salon is not open and I can't go get it refreshed, so bear with me. I love it because we're back to simplicity. We have to be real because we can't do all the spa treatments and get hairs refreshed and all the things, so just it's a time to be real, and that's okay. So we're all in it together at least. So yeah, anyways, paint that furniture. If you put a good primer on your piece, like give it a good sand, put a good primer on it, and then put a couple coats of paint on it, and then a lacquer. It should hold up really, really well. I do this quite often. I just use the paint we have, kind of kicking around. It's a great way to not spend any money, and it's a great way to use up the paint that you already have and to freshen up your piece. Give it a funky color if you want. Color is really trendy right now, so make it a fun color. You will feel excited about it. It will just refresh your space so much and make you a little bit happy in this time of interesting season that we're in. So any of those little things just can lift our spirits. So throw on some good worship music as you're painting, or listen to a really good podcast, turn off the news, and just enjoy the quiet moment and just breathe. Refocus, worship, it's fun. I would recommend you get to your to-do list. We all have a home to-do list to do, and it gets longer and longer. We never have the time, it seems, to do it. So now's a great time to refresh your walls, get them touched up. There's always marks that happen and dings and all the things, so they get mucky after time. So I know I have to, that's on my to-do list, is to touch up all my walls, because after 3 years it sure gets worn down and it feels dirty. So once you put that fresh coat of paint on your walls and touch them up, you will love it again. And it will just feel so like a brand new house. It's crazy what that does. So we all have things on our to-do list that we never get time for. Well, you've just been given the gift of time. Just do it. This is a great time. So anyways, hopefully this inspires you to know what to do, gives you some good things, good tips to create that cozy space that you want to spend time in. And just enjoy this season. This too shall pass, my friend. And if you enjoyed this, if this was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I have many, many more tutorials on how I teach you how to style your home and how to decorate and using what you have and just switching things up. So, and words of encouragement. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and yeah, I'm so thankful to see you today. And comment below, let me know what projects you got to this time. So